Welcome to Crafting with Lee. Today I'm going to make this happy Easter wreath. These are the materials I will be using to make this wreath. Start by taking pipe cleaners and adding them to the wire wreath form. I was able to add 15. Secure your 21-inch Deco mesh to your wire frame using a zip tie. With this orange mesh, I decided to do the poof method. Each poof is 12 inches long. I'm cutting the jute mesh at 15 inches and the green mesh at 28 inches. I'm going to do 15 of each. Take your green mesh and do the ruffle method. Curl the beginning, then run your fingers along the center and then curl the end. Open your pipe cleaner and place it inside. I decided to use the curl method with the jute mesh, so I cut them in half and curled them and placed them inside the pipe cleaner. I'm going to use 4 rolls of 1.5 inch burlap wired ribbon. I'm cutting them at 12 inches each. I use the ruler to make my job easier. Now I'm going to dovetail the ends of all the ribbon. I'm adding the ribbon inside each pipe cleaner in clusters of either 3 or 2. I use a glue stick to roll my pipe cleaners into curls. I'm going to add the carrots to the wreath using pipe cleaners. So I'm going to use my pokey tool to help me feed the pipe cleaner through the back. I'm going to do this to all 4. Now I'm going to staple the pipe cleaners to the back of this sign. I'm going to add cardboard because when I stapled the first time it went through too far, and this just keeps it from poking all the way through. To add the sign to my wreath, I'm going to push the pipe cleaners through to the back and secure them to the wire frame by twisting. I'm going to secure the carrots the same way. That's how I made my wreath. You can customize this any way you like. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.